Today, I've got something truly incredible in my hands, the highly anticipated Realme GT5 Pro. This smartphone is causing waves in the tech world, and we're about to unveil its awesomeness together. So, buckle up and let's dive right into this mind-blowing unboxing. At first we get your smartphone and wrap in 100-watt charger. Now let's talk about design and build quality. First impressions matter, and the Realme GT5 Pro knows how to make a statement. Crafted with precision, its sleek design is a symphony of elegance and functionality. The slim profile and premium materials ensure that you not only hold a device but a piece of art. Now let's talk about camera of Realme GT5. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel Sony Light 808 sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS) and an f/1.6 aperture, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 periscope telephoto camera, and an 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 sensor with 112-degree ultra-wide-angle lens. On the front, there is a 32-megapixel Sony IMX615 camera for selfies. Now let's talk about the display of Realme GT5 Pro. The Realme GT5 Pro has 6.78-inch 1.5K, 1264 by 2780 pixels, AMOLED display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate, 94.2% screen-to-body ratio, 2160 Hz touch sampling rate, and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness. Now let's talk about the performance and speed of Realme GT5 Pro. The Realme GT5 Pro has octa-core 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, along with an Adreno 750 GPU and up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM. Now let's talk about the pricing of Realme GT5 Pro. Realme GT5 Pro price is set at roughly 40,000 rupees for the base 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant, and roughly 42,000 rupees for the 16GB RAM plus 256GB configuration.